Assalamualaikum to our lecturer, Dr. Muhammad Syamian bin Zainal. Today we will present our project. Our project is about hotel management system. My name is Nur Arunamatigimi. I will explain about project description and flowchart. Our topic is hotel management system. Hotel management system is a program for the hotel reservation and also for the data arrangement while collecting the data. On this project, the administrator can add more rooms, read and modify the data. The customer used to make inquiry for rooms available and then depending upon the status he used to make booking. All the data the receptionist used to give the customer was based on paperwork. There was no clear idea of the status of room as they did not update automatically. This program is adapted to provide us information on reserving rooms. This program is not bothersome as it will serve the admin or user to be updated about the records without any strain, and it is favored much by the people involved in the business sector. As we are aware of the busy and hectic schedule of business people, this hotel management system turns out to be great relief for them. This program definitely has a wide scope to minimize errors in the making of bills, and it also limits the delay of delivering bills to the customer, which can include taxes on the basis of their expenditure. Okay, there is our flowchart. For the main menu, it will display about hotel management and have a option which is 1. Manage rooms, 2. Check in rooms, 3. Available rooms, 4. Search customer, 5. Check out rooms, 6. Guest summary report, and lastly exit. If the customer select 1 for manage rooms, in manage room have others option. First, add room, 2nd, search room, and 3. Back to menu. If customer select add room, the customer must enter room number, type account, type comfort, type size, daily rent. After the customer enter all this, it will display room added successfully. After that, go to 4.1 again. In this case, if customer select number 2, search room, customer must enter room number, then the programming go to search room. If found, it will display room details. If not, the program will go to 4.1 again. Then, for this case, if customer select 2 for check-in room, it will enter room number. If found, it will display enter room number, enter booking ID, enter customer name, enter address, enter phone, enter from date to date, enter advance payment, and customer check-in successfully. It will go to main menu. Next, to know the room available or not, select 3. It will display room number, type account number, type comfort, type size, and rent. Is found. If not, they will display reserve. Then it will go back to menu. To search customer, must select 4, then enter customer name. If found, it will display customer name, room number, and if not found, the person not found, and will back to main menu. For checkout room, must select number 5. Next, enter room number. If found, it will display enter number of day, bed amount, checkout details, customer name, room number, address, phone, total amount due, advance paid, and total payable. If not, it invalid, and back to main menu. After checkout rooms, to know report of guest summary, must select number 6. Is found, it will display customer first name, room number, address, phone. If not, no guest in a hotel, and back to main menu. Lastly, for number 7, is it will display thank you for using software, and the program will end. That's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, Assalamualaikum dan salam sejahtera. Today I will be presenting about the hotel management system, which is the coding, which is this contents four header files, which is the IO stream, string, continue, and CST lib. So in our project, we use the sum of data types in main line to declare the variables and the data types with integer, character, and float. As you can see here, these are data types that we are used: character, float, and integer. For the classroom, we also declare the data types, which is the character, integer, and the class for customer, class for add room. This will be search room, delete room, and display room. This will be we use on the other subline, which is they will be interpret to other line. For the function, for the first function, which is the add room, which is it is contain that we need to add, which is the room need the aircon or not, and type of comfort, the size, and the daily rent. After we add all of this, it will be display room added successfully. Okay, for this function, the hotel management guest summary report, which is to view the previous customer was checked out from the hotel, it will be displayed the room. Alright. For this reservation part, the customer need to enter the room number for confirm that room is already booked. So if the room is already booked and customer need to enter a new one. Okay. After the confirmation room number, customer need to fill up the requirement. Alright, like customer name, address, phone number, from date to date, and this will be the payment advance. This will be search customer for hotel use to check whether the customer still have in the hotel and doesn't check in the hotel. So this one. Okay, this one will be the checkout part where customer need to enter number of days and display the detail of the customer, and if he has the advance payment, so the total payment has to be minus by the advance payment. Okay, this line was the manage room for adding and searching for all available room. So enter room number. So if the room number is present, the customer need to enter the unique number. So they enter the number, and if other than 1, 2, and 3 selected, the program will tell us, will display please enter correct option. Okay, this is our main line for the hotel management system, which is uh, when we run the program, it will display to us the this hotel management, manage room, check-in room, able room, search for customer, check out room, and so on. And 7 for the exit one. Alright, for this case, when the customer then check whether room available or not, and it doesn't add the room first. Uh, because when we choose to reserve a room, but we don't have any room available to add. Alright. Um, alright. Lastly, after the customer check out and exit the hotel management, it will display thank you for using the software. And this the summary report. And if uh, not other than 1 to 7 selected, the program will tell us, will display, please enter correct option. When we run the program, so it will be displayed. The first one will be displayed. So we enter option 1, so manage room, and this will be appear. This one will be appear. And we enter option 1 to add room, and we add room. And type of aircon or not aircon, comfort or not, size big or small, and the daily rent we add here. And lastly, it will display room added successfully. So when we manage room, we choose 3, it will go back to the main menu at the first one, like this. And when choose the option 2, we will be check-in room and need to enter the room number, booking ID, customer first name, address, phone number, from that to that, and advance payment. For the third option, which is the available room, and as we can see, all rooms are reserved because we only add one room. And for the option 4, search for customer, and like uh, like on the first step, we enter the customer Ali, and this will be shown Ali. And we check in another, we manage another room, which is Abu, and the phone number, that, and advance payment, and so we check in successfully. And we will go for the checkout room, Abu, so checkout. So he needs, this is the total payable. And when we choose the option 7, it will show us the thank you for using the software. I think that's all from me.